Wangzi Crypto. So I'm a successful trader already, trading forex. But since I got the course, and guess what? This is it. My account is real. As you can see, it's not on demo mode. I started with 13,000, and this is my total profit. So I already take like $2,000 off, and I started the robot again, and now I am in the sum of profit of 115, and it's been only like 2 days. So this is how it is, and I'm glad that I sign up with you. I'm glad I get the information from you. You know, I mean, to me it's like $70 wasn't like nothing, and Jono was trying to get $1,500 out of me. And then when I Google Prometheus robot, there is no robot named Prometheus. And then as soon as I click on your page, we get in contact, and this is it. So this is real, as you can see here. You know, this is real money in my on my Binance account now. So I'm gonna let it run for about like 24 days, 20 more days, and I'll share the result with you. Peace.